Listen, there's over 100 Palestinians stuck in a plane at OR Tambo as we speak right now. Home Affairs does not know what to do. The NGOs are saying, let the Palestinians in. Let me tell you something, South Africans. You guys can't be singing, Free Palestine, Free Palestine. Free Palestine when the Palestinians come to South Africa and you're like, whoa, you know, your passport is not stamped. Of course, their passport is not stamped. You better stamp it when. It's not the first time that we are having asylum seekers here. Are you expecting an asylum seeker to come with a stamped passport? I told you guys, you are skipping what is happening in Tanzania. You are skipping what is happening in Congo. You are skipping what is happening in Sudan. You are skipping what is happening in Nigeria. You don't care about any of those things. People are getting killed. People are fleeing their countries. But because they are Africans, that it doesn't matter. They must stay in their country and they must face their problems. The Zimbabweans must go back to Zimbabwe and face their problems. The Mozambicans must go back to Mozambique and face their problems. The Palestinians must come in a plane. And we must welcome them. And I'm saying, let's welcome them. Why not? Why not? But let's maintain the same energy when it comes to other African countries. I'm surprised that you guys who've been wearing the Palestinian flag are now saying, but no, they are not. You know there's a war that is happening in Palestine. You know very well. In fact, you guys don't know. We've got some Israel people that have come to South Africa. You guys don't know this. So now, don't try to pick and choose here. Support the Palestinian people. There's children in that plane. There's pregnant women are here in that plane. You guys better support. Those people who are saying Free Palestine, I want to see you now saying, let those people in. Yeah. South Africa is for everyone except for Africans. South Africa, everyone is welcome in South Africa, except for Africans. So, I don't want to hear anything. Let the Palestinian people come. Let them come, man. Let them come. Let them come. Let them come stay here in South Africa. They are welcome. We are in solidarity with them at the international court. We are in solidarity with them on the ground. We are feeding our people. Their people, the NGOs, our NGOs are going there. Our people got arrested by the Israeli police. We are with Palestinian people. Now, why is it when they are here in a plane, you want to complain to me that their passport? Okay. Tomorrow, let's meet on YouTube. I need to make a full video. You guys are flip-floppers.